Well, hello YouTube land. That's Dog's Bark. Back with 2019 F-150. She has received quite a few upgrades since I last got her. Last uploaded. As you can see, she has a nice new Go Rhino push bar. Thank you, Car ID. But unfortunately, the packaging from Go Rhino is subpar. As you can see, the plastic is broken. Also got new tow mirrors on. They're not fully wired yet. They got the turn signals, flood puddle lights, and another light here, which I have to wire that up. Upgraded the rims, which unfortunately I just put new tires in the other ones, but I'm selling them for the same price. Let's see what else have I done to her. My back hurts. I work on this all day. We got the nice new trailer hitch on her with the what do you call it, highway special hitch on it, the lettering. Now forgive the interior because I got off duty and went to work on this, but I finally got my upgraded cluster. First, let me say, Beach Ford, fuck you. Lying to me like this shit. But yeah, built Ford tough. Got the nice new LCD. The check engine light right now is for the meters. It doesn't like it that it's not programmed yet. So I'll deal with that later.
Are you one of those people who thinks it's
not that? But yeah, my tire pressure. Let's see, off-road settings. I love this. Let's see if I can get an yes, vehicle on. Shows the degrees. Oh, 13, lucky. Of course, we got the dash cam still in here. Old clusters right there. It has been configured to the right mileage. It has been configured to the right hours. So I'm quite happy with that. As you can see now, the miles have skyrockets when I first bought it because I drive this thing with Uber, and it's good on gas. Let's see, also things I have in here: fuel and trip, my average economy, last 30 minutes. Okay, this wasn't lit up last time. Got compass. Yeah, I love this truck. The first thing my wife says when she walks out and sees me working on this, oh fuck, anthill. She walks up and says, "Ugly." She's messing with me with the push bar, but I love it. It's technically the largest of my push bars. Middle goes to the Go Rhino at the end there, and then this off-brand one right here for the Tahoe. But it's nice and strong. It holds my weight pretty nicely. As you can see, I tried it out. Yep. I can see clearly now the rain is gone. Okay, so this thing came, the packaging was subpar, so Go Rhino, you gotta work on that shit. I do have 2 more upgrades in the wing. One of them being the mud flaps, because now I have bigger tires, it's needed. The other one is wheel molding here. That's because it won't go on properly without having the wheel molding on there, the mud flaps. Of course, we got the original rockers, steps I put on here, the bed cover. This truck has received a lot of love from me. Now, installs Go Rhino, I did have to make a few cuts, because of course I did. Because my truck did not come with the front hitches. I had to cut the plastic out for that. Dremel to the rescue. I had to put a few cuts in the side, in the little plastic there. Ain't that bad looking. You can't tell it. What else have I? That's pretty much all I had to cut out of it. I'm debating what I want to put on this push bar though. Part of me wants to put my siren back on it. Part of me doesn't want to go to jail. But as long as the siren's not hooked up, it's legal. I can hook up the air horn directly, so I can bypass that one. Could put lights on it, but no need for them. Right now, I'm quite happy. I mean, Go Rhino's always been my go-to for push bars. I went cheap on this one, and you can see it has this weird quirk to it with the angles. Meanwhile, her Go Rhino is not a flaw on it, and it has push cars. Unfortunately, the Mako paint job is not faring the best. As you can see, let's see, oh, right there, the white's popping through in certain spots. Oh, up here too, look at that. Her car is doing good. She's now fully taken ownership of it, so good for her. Meanwhile, Navajo here to become the backup rig. So we're trying to get a what we call a new ABS unit for her, because the one that's in her is bad. That's why I have a few lights on. She is gonna be registered in New York soon. Wow, her headlights from the fog up bad. Oof. Work on that. That small mark, I mostly covered it up now. You can barely see it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I really got for her. New tires are in, TPMS sensors are in. I'm not sure what else is going to be left for her after I put the mud flaps and wheel moldings on her. She's just about perfect. Oh, badges. I got to replace this ugly little F150 badge here. I've owned her for, shit, been 5 months. Let's see, January, March, April, May. I think it was April, no. May. No, it was April. April, May, June, July, August, September. Yeah, about 5 months, just about. I'm gonna count it because it's almost already September. She has one big ride coming with me next. My finger got burned by a damn melted plastic. I was dremeling the shit out of this thing. But yeah, oh yeah, that one's going into the junkyard. I've had my fill, so I took off the tires like the prior owner wanted. She'll be gone soon. And of course, that one I'm still battling the electrics. Fuck you, bikers. I'm trying to talk here. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at now. Dumpster diving was plentiful for me recently. It's an old Moby Dick over there, that's what I'm calling her. Helped me haul a generator home I got from a dumpster. And it works. Have to do a few little configurations on her. But I got me a Yanmar fuck you generator right here. Definitely needs new mounts. I gotta replace those ASAP. But she fires up on a jump pack, so I'm happy with that at least. Anywho, I gotta clean this shit up. I was battling mosquitoes and I still am. But yeah, we're doing good. We are doing good.